Approximately 1 in 6 Americans are food insecure, meaning they lack reliable access to a sufficient quantity of affordable, nutritious food. There are many barriers that make it more difficult for people to make healthy food choices and meet the suggested dietary guidelines. Although these structural and social issues extend beyond the economic discipline, modeling human behavior around food decisions through economic theory and data analysis can help find solutions. In the course Poverty and Food Insecurity, students gain critical knowledge of this issue and the empirical methods used to study it. They practice applying these learnings through grant proposals, collaborations with the local food bank, and real-world data analysis, turning less tangible concepts into impactful actions. By incorporating data analysis, discussion of policy, a global understanding of the food system, and the practice of effectively communicating research findings, Poverty and Food Insecurity gives students an understanding of one of the nation's most complex and pressing issues, while preparing them with the tools they need to address it.